You heavens above, rain down my righteousness. Let the clouds shower it down. Let the earth open wide. Let salvation spring up. Let righteousness flourish with it. I, the Lord, have created it.
Have you ever seen the rain falling from the skies? A holy downpour, grace in every drop it supplies. He washes over, hearts cleansing all our stains. The love of God pouring down. You ever seen the rain? I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? Righteousness falling, healing in its train. From the throne of grace it comes without refrain. Salvation springing up. Have you ever seen the rain? The streets are wet with mercy puddles of forgiveness. Hope blooms like flowers breaking through the darkness. In the parched soil of our souls, life begins to sprout. The rain of God's favor, there's no room for doubt. I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? Righteousness falling, healing in its train. From the throne of grace it comes without refrain. Salvation springing up. Have you ever seen the rain? Thunder speaks redemption, lightning writes our names. Promises etched in water washing away our shame. The clouds part for glory, a rainbow's vibrant hue. God's covenant unbroken, forever shining through. I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? Righteousness falling, healing in its train. From the throne of grace it comes without refrain. Salvation springing up. Have you ever seen the rain? So let the rain fall down, saturate our days. In this modern age we seek ancient ways. For the rain of God's love, like a gentle summer shower, quenches every thirst and brings forth life's